A military drone is flying somewhere above the Earth right now. No pilot inside, no cockpit, no windows. The person responsible for it might be sitting thousands of kilometers away, or not touching the controls at all. And yet, this machine knows where it is, where it's going, and what it's watching. So how does something with no eyes, no feelings, and no human on board fly, think, and prepare for war? Let's start at the very beginning. Chapter 1. The biggest lie about military drones. Here's the lie most of us grew up believing. A military drone is just a plane with a camera, flown like a video game. Joystick, screen, easy. Reality is very different. Once a drone leaves the ground, no human is actually flying it the way pilots fly planes. Humans supervise, computers fly, and that single difference changes everything about modern warfare. Chapter 2. Take off without touching the aircraft. Imagine trying to take off in a plane while blindfolded. No vibration, no sense of speed, no feeling of lift. That's what drone pilots experience. So instead of relying on human senses, the drone relies on math. The autopilot checks airspeed, wing lift, wind direction, and angle, hundreds of times every second. If conditions aren't safe, the drone simply refuses to take off. No arguments, no heroics, like your phone refusing to overheat, even if you want it to. Chapter 3. How drones stay in the air longer than any fighter jet. Fighter jets are sprinters. Drones are marathon runners. Their wings are long and thin, designed to squeeze lift out of the air using as little energy as possible. Their engines don't roar, they hum steadily for hours. Imagine leaving a ceiling fan on all day versus revving a motorcycle engine again and again. That's the difference. This is why some drones don't just fly missions. They live in the sky. Chapter 4. Flying. Even when GPS is gone. Now imagine someone switches GPS off. Your phone becomes useless. Your car navigation freezes. The drone doesn't care. Inside it, tiny sensors measure every movement. Forward, sideways, up, down. It remembers where it started and never stops counting. It's like walking through your home at night. You don't see the walls, but you still don't crash into them. GPS helps, but it was never the brain. Chapter 5. Talking to a drone. Across the world, here's something wild. When a drone is far away, commands travel up to space, then back down to Earth. That takes time. So the drone isn't waiting for humans to tell it how to stay balanced. Humans send goals. The drone figures out the details, like ordering a ride instead of driving yourself. And every bit of that communication is locked behind military-grade encryption. Breaking it isn't hacking. It's siege warfare. Digital version. Chapter 6. How drones see what humans can't. A drone doesn't look at the world. It collects layers of reality. During the day it sees sharp details. At night it sees heat. Through smoke it sees temperature differences. Engines glow. People radiate warmth. Vehicles leave thermal footprints. To a drone, darkness isn't darkness. It's just information wearing a different costume. Chapter 7. The moment watching becomes tracking. At first, the drone observes. Then, something changes. The system starts following movement automatically. Algorithms predict where objects will go next. Humans still watch, but they're no longer doing all the work. And right here, the drone stops being just an aircraft. It becomes a decision platform, which raises an uncomfortable question. What happens if the human disappears? If the signal dies? If the pilot can't respond? If the drone is alone? Does it wait? Does it leave? Or does it decide something on its own? That answer changes everything. Subscribe and stay tuned for part 2.